Hey there, this is Workbench with Workbench Quagmire, back with day 57 of our free code camp Python certification in 100-ish days. Today, we're going to work on this build a character stats tracker, which is part of this object-oriented programming section here. So let's jump right in here. These are normally set up so that we have to do some things and pass some tests. So create a class name, game character. And I'm just going to see. Let's check our code. And we should pass. Down here is where we will see our tests. So we passed that. You should have an init method in the game character class. We can do that very easily as well to pass that test without doing too much more. And there we go. Init method should have two parameters, with the first being self. So the second parameter would be name, I'm assuming. And so self dot underscore name equals name. Yep. So we're past 4 of the 44 tests. Okay. Let's go back up here. Health is set to 100. So equals 100. Mana equals 50. And level equals 1. Should have a name method. We can pass that one real quick. Okay, so we've passed the first 9, and name method should return self dot underscore name. And I assume this is supposed to be, a getter. So this is where we use what we've learned before about properties. Properties. There we go. All right. So that gets us up to 11 here. So let's go back up here. See what else we need to do. The name property for read-only access. The character's name for health property. Define a getter that returns the current health. So that's the same at property. Define health. Self. Return self dot health. Then we have to have a setter method. So this is health dot property. And it's going to, it prevents the health from being set below 0. If I'm going to say health greater than or equal to 0, or health less than or equal to 100, self dot underscore health equals health. I'm guessing that's how we would do this. Should have a game character class. That's interesting that we are now failing the first test. Let's get something's wrong here. Property object has no attribute property. I can't remember how to do this. Let's open a duplicate window. Let's go back to our. No. We don't want this. Let's go back to our instruction here. Getters and setters. So what's the setter is at radius setter. That's the issue. There we go. Should set health to 0 if the value given to health is less than. So actually, we'll just change this. If health less than 0, self dot health equals 0. Elif health greater than 100. But it's going to be 100. Else self dot health equals health. It's greater than or equal to 100. All right. So that setter's done. Mana method. So guessing this is going to be the same thing. Property. Line. Mana. Self. As. Self.mana is method. So, yep. Have a mana setter method. Sorry, you can't see that. Neither can I. Define mana, self, mana. You should set self underscore mana to 0 if the given value to the mana setter is less than 0. So it's basically, I bet this is going to be very similar. So I'm going to copy all this and just paste it in there. Change all the references of health to mana. And see if we can pass some tests. We're going wild here. I'm just being reckless. I'm just going to make some assumptions. You set stuff that man, the given mana is greater than 50. So there we go. 50 and 50. All right. You should have a level method. So we're going to have at property define level. Self return self dot level. We screwed something up. It's because we spelled property wrong again. You should have a level up method in the character class. So At level dot setter define level up self level maybe pass level up should have only one parameter self. Okay, that's why I was kind of suspecting we weren't going to set it was only going to this should increase the level by 1. So self dot level plus equals 1, and you should set self health to 100 in the level up. Uh, and you should set mana to 50. There we go. The level up message should print name self dot name. This is going to be a formatted string. Let's get that all set up. So self dot name leveled up to level. Where this is self dot. Oh. Let's skip over this for a second. Maybe it will come to me what's going on here. So string method, one parameter self, string with the character stats using provided format. So go up here to define string method returns. Of course we didn't pass. We never do. These string things are so hard. So let's just build this up. So we're going to call it we got our string method. The only thing we don't have is this level up deal. Okay, let's go up here and read the directions. So level up, increase character's level 1, reset health to 100, mana to 50, print the message name leveled up to level, where name and level should be replaced by the character's new name and new level respectively. So self name, that seems clear. And self level. So I'm confused. I'm going to call this one for now. So next time we'll come back, I'll try to figure this out. I don't understand what's going on here. Something seems off. But next time we'll come back, pick this up, and then we will also start on the what is inheritance, polymorphism. These may be short videos, like 3 short videos. I looked at the inheritance one and polymorphism. I haven't looked at this one yet, but these may be 3 short videos, and then we got this workshop, which is probably 2 videos. So this is coming out on Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So and we're getting back into abstraction. So until next time, this is Workbench Quagmire, and I'll see you then.